A day that starts out like any other workday can actually be the beginning of something truly special.
I'd like you to meet your new colleague. Isn't he cute?
Where you form a connection so strong that even a short goodbye can feel like a lifetime. But true love will always find a way. Coming this summer.
Where is it?
Something so fresh that you can practically let it eat off the floor. Those special moments that they will never, ever forget.
It's the new Cobotic 1900. It will take some work off your hands, so you can focus on the more detailed stuff.
The Cobotic 1900. True love does exist.